All right, so the last set of options in the page builder is going to be the notification settings. Now, what are notifications? I'll just go ahead and save this really quickly, go to my dashboard, and I'll click on the view to view my live mycliq link page. I'll then view it in the mobile view so that you can see how it will look like on your phone. Essentially what notifications does is it creates a little bell icon on the bottom right, and it'll show how many active notifications you have enabled. Once the user clicks on that, it'll display all of the notifications that the user has set. Now I have a mycliq.co launch day. It says public release of mycliq.co for all users. And if the user clicks on the visit tab, it will bring them to the link of your choosing. So let's talk about how to actually edit this. I'll go back into my dashboard. I'll edit my page here. Let's hide the rest of the settings. And now let's focus on the notifications tab. To add a notification, all you have to do is click add notification. I'm going to disable this notification for now. And I'm going to name this one 50% off mycliq.co subscriptions. And the message will be first 100 users to sign up get half off for life. Okay, now if I leave it at that, this is all it will display, but I highly recommend adding a link to it so users have a call to action. And I will just use the mycliq homepage as my link. I'll paste that here. And there's two more options here on the bottom. There's add countdown and auto clear notification. So I'm going to enable the add countdown. And what this will do is this will set a countdown end date and time. So for example, maybe this will only be available for a few days. I'll set that countdown, and then I can also toggle auto clear notification. And what that will do is if you set it to the exact time of your countdown, this will just make sure that mycliq automatically clears the notification on your page so that you don't have to go back into the page builder to clear it. So now that this is active, let's actually just save this page. Let's view a live mycliq page. View here. I'll go into mobile view so that we can see it. If a user comes and clicks on the notification, it will show the notification. It'll say 50% off mycliq.co subscriptions. First 100 users get to sign up, get half off for life with a time remaining countdown. And then they can click the visit button to visit. That is pretty much it for the notification settings. Let's move on to subpages.